Hey guys, Discount Tools here. Welcome back to the channel. Here again with you got another unboxing. Got the Milwaukee 56-piece impact driver shockwave kit. Got this at Home Depot. Found this for I believe $10. So usually this is I think it was 25. Started at and then went down to 20. But we're going to do a little review and unboxing and use these bits in my testing. Comes with removable bulk storage. And that's what I'm kind of want to see, because I got another kit that we're going to try out that will be part of this extreme bit test that we're going to go through. Right now we're just going to do the unboxing. As you can see, like the other one, like the other bits we have, this has a shock zone. The Milwaukee's sort of like the torsion zone or the torque zone, like many other of the other bits we've seen before with DeWalt and Makita. And then let me see, let me just angle this up here. And then we have, these are the type of bits we have in the kit. We have one nut driver, one bit holder, and then a variety of other different bits, Torx, Square, Phillips, and it looks like two nut drivers too. So let's take a look. I'm not going to go through the whole list, but it's a nice little kit. Looks like we have different types of bits, 2-inch bits, 1-inch. So let's open her up. I've kind of been dying to get this actually unboxing done. I've had it for over a month. So let's check her out. By the way. Sorry guys. Okay, closes up nicely. This has a pull system, not like a slide system like the Makita or the DeWalt. So let's test this apart. Oh, there's some plastic in here. So you have the removable bulk storage right here, which does not want to come out. Let's see if I can finagle this. Alright, we'll try that later, but that's really hard to come out. And that's very disappointing. It should be very easy to come out. Do a little update video on this, see how to take it out. But other than that, these are harder to come out too. That's the only thing I've come to hate about Milwaukee's bit cases. These are actually a little easier, but to come out takes a lot of force. And especially here, and these little bits, it takes, you need to take like a knife or something. So when it comes to Milwaukee, they make good bits. It's just the cases are really bad. You can't even get your fingers in here to pop these guys out. They need a lot of space, and I wish that Milwaukee would fix this. come out with a better system. And but other than that, let's take out the bit holder. This already has a bit inside. Tension is, as you can see, I'm pulling on it as hard as I possibly can. It won't come out. Really good bit holder, not like that DeWalt we had yesterday. Very good bit retention with the magnet. Really love the Milwaukees. Their bit holders are the best, I would say. But up there with the Makita. And then, other than that, guys, these things are hard to pop out. It's supposed to be removable, but it's just hard. So, let's try one more time trying to get this thing out. Oh my god, it's in there tight. You call it removable, but oh. And there you go. We got it out, but with all the bits coming out, they're all over the place right now. So let me clean up this mess and do a more extensive review on this. But sorry guys, I'm like a little lost for words. I thought this was going to be a very cool little thing to do, but looks like this is not want to go back on either. Very disappointing. So let me get back to it. We'll do a review on this with the other bits, do our extreme bit testing, come back to this another time, and do a follow-up. But until then, keep on trucking, guys. Hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. And if you like what you see, again, give a like and subscribe, and hit that bell notification to let you know when a new video comes out. Alright, guys. Till then, keep trucking. Have a good night.